Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to learn how to load samples in the TrueBond veterinary centrifuge. How to load the TrueBond. When loading the TrueBond, or any centrifuge, it is important to make sure you load the samples in a way that keeps them balanced. Loading balanced samples helps keep the lab safe and ensures the maximum lifespan for your centrifuge. Step 1. Make sure that all 6 tube holders are properly seated in the TrueBond rotor. Depending on what you are spinning, you may want to use either the blue or the orange tube holders and possibly some inserts. They all load the same, but for more detail on how to choose the correct tube holder and loading accessories, click the link on your screen now. No matter what tube holders you choose, they do not click or snap into place, but should be seated one per slot around the rotor. Step 2. Load your samples. When loading your samples, opposing tube holders must be of equal weight, as shown in the diagram on your screen. This applies to tube holders with inserts as well. So if we're loading 2 tubes, just put them across from each other. If it's 3, make a triangle, 4 a square, and so on. If you're spinning an odd number of tubes, you'll need a counterbalance tube. This should be an identical tube filled with an equivalent volume of water from the tube across from it, and placed in an insert if used. The counterbalance should be roughly the same weight as your filled tube. With your tube holders in place and your samples loaded and balanced, you're ready to spin. Close the lid. Secure the lid latch by pressing it down gently and turning it a quarter turn clockwise. Next, adjust your settings. Select your desired cycle and press the menu button. Use the stop-unlock button to cycle between speed, time, and braking values. Adjust using the up and down arrows. For a more detailed guide, click the link on your screen now. In our case, we're going to run 3,000 RPM for 3 minutes with braking 9, but you can run whatever setting you like. Once you're done programming, double-check your settings and press Menu to save and exit. Your centrifuge will automatically select the cycle you just edited. Next, press the Start button. The centrifuge will automatically lock and the rotor will begin to spin, accelerating until it reaches your selected RPM. It will then run for your chosen time. You can see time remaining and speed, alternating between RPM and RCFXG, displayed on the screen. Once the run is complete, the centrifuge will begin to slow down, applying the rotor brake at the level you selected. When the rotor is fully stopped, the centrifuge will beep and the lid lights will flash to let you know it's done. The centrifuge will automatically unlock. Turn the lid latch a quarter turn counterclockwise and then lift the lid to retrieve your spun samples. And that's it! If you'd like to learn more about how to use the different tube holders and inserts that came with your TrueBond to spin different samples, click the link on your screen now. If you have any other questions about your TrueBond, you can always contact Drucker Diagnostics and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.